What's up guys, how you guys doing? This is the Spider-Man tech tutorial everyone's been asking for, so I'm gonna run you through it start to finish. The most important thing in mushroom cultivation, you gotta be clean. Disinfect everything, disinfect your hands twice, 3 times, 4 times. You cannot be too clean. You're basically growing mold, and you don't want to grow the wrong kind of mold that takes over the good kind of mold that you're growing. You know what I mean? Make sure you use 71% isopropyl alcohol. If you use 90%, it doesn't work as good as 71%. That's because 71% penetrates cell walls more effectively than 90%. This way, it kills more microorganisms than 90%, which is more effective, which saves you a lot of hassle. Now cut a hole like I'm doing here. You're gonna need this for gas exchange. Fresh air exchange is very important. Now remember, gas is lighter than air, so if your hole isn't up top, your gas might not escape. Gas rises the same as smoke, so be sure to make your hole up top. Now make sure to cover your hole with micropore tape. This stops all of the bad air from getting inside of the bag and letting all of the air from inside of the bag release without letting the bad air inside. You want to keep the inside of your bag as clean as possible. If you get contaminated, you wasted a lot of time. Now make sure everything is sanitized. You want to stay as sanitary as possible during this process. You want to make sure that when you take off your syringe cap, that you put on your needle as fast as you can, and then flame sterilize your needle for 15 seconds, no less. Insert your spore syringe into the top of the bag and inject no more than 0.5 cc or milliliter of spore solution. You gotta make sure you stay at that range. You go over, there's a big chance of contamination. You don't want to over moisturize your bag. Now instantly, after your needle comes out, sanitize and tape over the hole your syringe poked in the bag. Now label and date the strain on the bag so you don't forget when you did it. You will forget if you don't do that. Now remember, you have to stay as clean as possible at all times. If you don't, you risk contamination, and that just means you wasted all your time and you have to start all over again. I'm gonna try to help you guys not waste your time and start all over again. You wanna look like this at the end. You wanna make sure all of your grain is white, no tinted colors at all, and then you're gonna transfer it to bulk substrate. I'll cover that in part 2 of this video. For now, focus on part 1. Don't get ahead of yourselves. Make sure you keep to your procedures. Don't get lazy, and you guys got this. Let's go. I will help you guys get to here. This is where you want to be. We got this together, guys. Let's go. Good luck.